Hello everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillcrest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Mining to blame for Himachal Pradesh road cave-in. MIT warns of heavy rain in 7 districts of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Chief Minister Jairam Thakur invites Olympics medal winners. Efforts afoot to make Himachal Pradesh University friendly for differently abled. India records 35,499 new COVID cases, 447 more deaths. Kangra administration gear up to tackle Navratra rush. Schools will remain open or not this season on August 10. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to arrive in Srinagar today for a 2-day visit. Flash flood victims' body recovered from Pandu Dam in Himachal Pradesh. Quit India movement spirit energize youth of nation, said PM Narendra Modi. Veteran actor Anupam Shyam dies at 63. Now news in detail. Mining to blame for Himachal Pradesh road cave-in. Limestone quarrying, which was underway at the toe of the slope at Kali Dhang till 2019, triggered the July 30 cave-in of 150-meter stretch of the Paonta Sahib Shilai Road NH 707 reveals a preliminary study by the Geological Survey of India (GSI). A 3-member GSI team which visited the site on August 3 and 4 submitted its report to the district administration on Sunday. It stated the slope was weakened due to mining near its toe. Recent heavy rains triggered the incident. MIT warns of heavy rain in 7 districts of Himachal Pradesh. Death toll due to rain-related incident in the state increased to 232 with 2 more deaths, one each in Hamirpur and Shimla, reported in the past few hours. A total of 11 persons are still missing. A total of 9 roads are closed, while 7 water supply schemes in the state have been disrupted. The local MIT office has warned of heavy rains in 7 districts: Hunna, Hamirpur, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla, Solan and Sirmaur on August 12. It has also predicted a wet spell in the region till August 14. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur invites Olympic medal winners. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur extended an invitation to medal winners in Tokyo Olympics and offered them a 3-day free stay in hotels run by Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. Congratulating the winners, Jairam Thakur said it would be a great privilege for Himachal Pradesh to host and facilitate the Olympic medal winners who brought laurels to the country. You are welcome in Himachal for rest and recreation, and we will get an opportunity to honor you, the Chief Minister said in his appeal. Efforts afoot to make Himachal Pradesh University friendly for differently abled. Efforts are afoot to make Himachal Pradesh University HPU a disabled friendly university. A project worth rupees 5 crore to make the campus disabled friendly is underway. Ramps are being constructed. 1 lift has started working in the university, while 7 more are being installed in the first phase. Toilets are being modified to make them user friendly for disabled students. 1 supernumerary seat in MPhil and PhD has been earmarked in each subject to give them proper representation in research, and 5% reservation is also in place for disabled students. As a result, at least 15 specially able students are pursuing PhD, while many have cleared JRF, NET and SLET. India records 35,499 new COVID cases, 447 more deaths. With 35,499 more people testing positive for COVID, India's infection tally now stands at 3,19,69,954, while the death toll climbed to 4,28,309 with 447 fresh fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Monday. The number of active cases has declined to 4,02,188, which comprise 1.27% of the total infections, and the national COVID recovery rate has improved to 97.39%, the data showed. Kangra administration gears up to tackle Navratra rush. Kangra district administration has made elaborate arrangement to deal with the huge rush of pilgrims to religious shrines of Kangra situated at Jwalamukhi, Kangra and Chamunda Devi because of Shravanashtami Navratra fair. The state government has made RT-PCR negative report and COVID-19 vaccination certificates mandatory for all pilgrims. Nipul Jindal, Deputy Commissioner, said that helpline numbers had been made public for the assistance of pilgrims. In addition, the ambulance facility would be available round the clock for the pilgrims reaching Kangra temples. Police personnel have been posted at all places to manage the affairs. Besides, parking lot had also been developed in the temples 2 to 3 km away to avoid crowding. The administration would issue a slip for the entry of pilgrims in the temple. The slip will be mandatory. School will remain open or not in Himachal Pradesh decision on August 10. The tension increased due to positive cases of coronavirus of teachers and students. The government will take a decision in the cabinet meeting to be held on August 10 regarding the increasing corona cases in the school of the state. School children are also worried about getting infected. The government also told that there is pressure from children and teachers that schools should be opened. Now parents are worried about the increasing corona cases. It has been only a few days since the schools were open and the cases of corona has started increasing. On Friday itself, 37 children have come positive in the state. Education Minister Govind Singh Thakur said that there is a cabinet on August 10 and we will decide at there what should be do. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to arrive in Srinagar today for a 2-day visit. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be arriving in Srinagar on Monday evening for a 2-day visit. He is scheduled to meet party leaders and inaugurate the newly constructed party headquarters on MA Road on Tuesday morning. On Tuesday evening, Jammu and Kashmir's Congress President Ghulam Ahmad Mir will host a dinner for Rahul Gandhi and other politicians and senior Congress leaders. Leaders of People's Alliance for Gupta Declaration, including National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti and Communist Party of India Journal Secretary Muhammad Yusuf Trigami are scheduled to attend the dinner. Flash flood victims' body recovered from Pandu Dam in Himachal Pradesh. Body of Poonam, 26-year-old of Brahmganga village, who was washed away in a flash flood in Manikaran Valley on July 28, was recovered from Pandu Dam yesterday. Body of 3 other persons, Poonam's son Nikunj, 4-year-old, Vinita, 25-year-old of Ghaziabad and Virendra of Sangana village are yet to be traced. Poonam's family members had been searching for her and Nikunj for the past 11 days. The police recovered a dead body after it was traced floating in Pandu Dam and called the family for identification. Kullu Superintendent of Police Gurdeep Sharma said the research for other missing person was underway. Quit India movement spirit energized youth of nations, said PM Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday paid tributes to the greats who took part in the Quit India movement, saying the movement spirit reverberated across India and energized the youth of our nation. The Quit India movement was launched under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and played a key role in India attaining freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Ilquest News channel. Thank you.